Welcome to week 10. So today we're going to do a walk around of engine 32, one of the older trucks we have. This is a 1992, and will be one of the last engines out that we have. Hear a little bit of traffic, sorry for that. We're trying to hit it in between the rain here also too. Stuff on it. Got quick kind of walk around of it. We'll go more into detail on the next engine next week, a little bit more so than this one. Like I said, we're just trying to hit this in between the rain, get a walk around of this truck though. This truck, you'll also notice on the back here where the axe is, those are the doors on this truck where you go in the back, not on the side there. Still have a top mounted pump. Inside. Letting up a little bit for the rain today. Get back here, get a good shot of it. If you're liking the trucks you're seeing and enjoying looking at our fleet, if you would give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on the truck. Thanks for watching, guys.